Hey guys, my name is Ashish. Welcome to my blog. So today we're gonna cover one topic which is very crucial for all the corporate employees. Before we go into that direction, just a disclaimer: I'm not a teacher, I'm not a guru. I'm just sharing my experiences with everyone here. If you feel good about it, please do comment, like. If you really feel that you need some improvements, please do comment as well so that I can learn something out of it. Along with that, I don't filter my videos a lot because I don't have a time, honestly, and you may not find my videos very lucrative, and but my main aim is not to modify it, but it's just to unfiltered video with a true experience. The topic we're gonna cover today is how you can ladder up in your hierarchy. When I say the ladder up, means how you can get the promotions, how you can just be valuable in the organization, right? And there are certain key aspects if you really want to become a leader, I would say. So whatever you are, whatever the positions you are holding right now, doesn't matter. So this is very common for all of us, basically. So when you look around you, every leader who really kind of achieved success in their life have a two basic things. The first, they're very humble, very humble, or maybe grounded. And the second thing is they're very respectful as well. Look, technical things and other things may be okay. I mean, anyone can cope up with that. It's just about like a learning. If you have a learning attitude, you can learn anything out of it. But if you have an attitude of like, okay, I'm the only one, so you have a me in you, that's gonna bite a lot. Look, in corporate culture, you cannot treat someone else below you. It's very simple, I'm telling you. Even though that person is at a SSC level and you are at a director level or a VP level, or you are a lead level and you have hired a SE1 or a fresher with you, right? It's very simple. You have to treat everyone equal. Look, in corporate, the titles are different, the responsibilities are different, but you have to understand that we are dealing with the human. When you're dealing with a human are very sensitive in emotions, right? We all are very sensitive, right? If somebody raises voice at home, so what do? We really don't feel good about it, right? Then if the same thing is happening in the office, so are we still comfortable with that? No. So the bottom line is, any leader or anyone who is kind of getting the promotions or getting the ladder up, you will see they always maintain a relationship with everyone. Everyone means the person doesn't care about like whether you are a SC1, SC2 or SSC, or you are a lead, or you are a director, senior director, or a VP. He maintains the ladder. He maintains the respect. And that's a very core thing when you want to ladder up. Look, these are the non-functional, I would say, aspects of getting something, a promotion. Technicality is something which definitely is at a kind of topmost thing, but these also cascade the impact. If you are not respectful to your peers, to your juniors, to your seniors, you cannot get the promotion, I'm telling you. And the reason being, promotion comes when you make a reputation within your organization. And reputation doesn't mean that it has to be with your seniors, it has to be with your juniors as well. People should respect you. When somebody is coming in the morning and working with you, they should feel like, yes, this person is worthful. I really wanted to work with this person. It shouldn't be like, okay, yeah, man, I have to work with this person. Okay, let's just do it because I have to work with him. So gain the respect. People fails when they don't communicate well. When I say they don't communicate well, I don't mean that about the writing style and all. I'm talking about the tonality, the tone. There are different ways to talk, right, about a single thing. The tone should be very humble and should be very respectful. The other person should not feel like you are disrespecting them. This is the only way to earn the respect. Once you earn the respect, I'm telling you, you will see the magic. People don't realize it, but you'll see the magic. If you really want to ladder up in your profile, you have to learn how to observe the pressure, how to be very cool, just like Dhoni. So Dhoni used to be very cool, right? Even in the pressurized situations, he used to be very cool. So we all have to become like him. If you really like this video, do comment, share, and if you really feel that I need to cover something else, I know this is a very short video, but if you really feel that something else needs to be covered, please do comment out. I'll try to share my experience with you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.